Hello guys, this is KEVTON Wholesale Ghana. My name is Lydia Azom. We are importers of goods from China factories at a very affordable prices. And today I'm here to introduce one of our products to you, and this is a Sinbo blender. And I'm going to teach you how to use it. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use it. This is the cup, which is 2 ml, and this is the cover. I'm going to teach you how to put your ingredients inside so that you will not damage the cup end. It's very strong, and because of that, it can blend hard things like corn. You can blend your corn inside. You can blend your garden nuts, tomatoes, anything you want to blend, anything blendable, you can blend it in this cup. You make sure you don't fill up the cup so that it won't split out. You make sure you not fill up the cup so that it won't split out when you are blending. So you make sure you put it to maybe 150 ml, then you blend. And so this is the main engine for the blender, for the Sinbo blender, and this is the on and off button. This is our regulator with low, medium and high speed. This is our cracker, and I'll teach you how to use all of them. With the on and off. So with the on and off, when you are coming to blend your ingredients, you won't turn it on. You will not turn on the regulator too. You start with the cracker. Let's say you have corn and you want to blend it. You first use your cracker to crack the corn into pieces before you come and use your on and off. So when you turn the on and off on, then you use your regulator to, you won't exceed the speed. You come to 8 so that you will not bend the blender. And we also have this black plastic here, which protects the top of the blender from getting damaged by split water. So when you are done with your blending, you can take it off and clean it and put it back.